G'day guys, welcome back to the adventure. So finally, after 3 weeks in Rocklands, I'm gonna be showing you some climbing footage. And you might be wondering, why am I showing you a 6A if I've been in Rocklands for 3 weeks? Well, that's the only usable footage I have that is not of me falling off the same problem again and again and again, getting frustrated with myself.
Yes. That's it. Stick it. Come on. Woo! Woo!
Vat hom en dan readjust ek.
Oh yes. Oh, strong bro. Kom on. Yes. Nice. Kom on. Ons het jou Roan. Kom maar dadelik Roan. Kom on. Dis jou nou Roan. Daai so bou dat jy supposed to so maak. Ah! Kom maar man. Focus. Focus, kom maar. Awesome. Nice, awesome. 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 Nice, come on. Oh man, beautiful. Nice one. Oh, awesome, awesome. Allee. Dis is weer bietjie.
Focus. Focus.
Kom on.
Yes. Focus, kom on asaan.
Come on.
Kom on.
Kom on.
Kom on Juan. Yes. Kom on. Kom on.
Kom on.
Hou daai linkerhand. Yes. Oh, yes. As hy.
Kom on.
Bietjie links.
Kom on.
Bietjie links.
Kom on.
Wat was hom? Lees rukkie.
And do
Some human energy.
yeah, cool.
So we are here at the Realm. We went to bed at 6 this morning, and are still semi-tired. We are excited to climb. It's like the crack of noon. So yeah, it's actually quite a nice place that we're at now. Some cute doggos. And hopefully we get some good climbing in. That's it.
Come on, keep it together. Come on, you got this. Come on.
That's it. That's the thumb. That's cool.
How's your ankle?
Can you tell me when you're stoked to start? Are you ready for tonight? Setting it on fire and we'll dance until we're done in the dark.
That's good though. I like that sequence. Okay, yeah, now. Oh, fuck me. Thanks. Wow. That's like, you feel so high all of a sudden. Yeah. That's cool. Thank you. I think I'm happy with that whole attempt. That was cool.
I like this song.
I love this song. This is one of my favorite songs in the entire world. What they say. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah.
Before I had to leave Rocklands, I had the opportunity to spend a weekend in the luxurious sculptural chalet at the bikepacking. It was nice having a comfortable bed and the opportunity to host some friends and have a braai before I hit the road for the next leg of my adventure. Rocklands has been good to me, but it has definitely ensured that I have to come back, since I haven't seen so many of the cool climbs I still wanted to do. The first 8 kilometers of cycling was grueling. It was exceptionally hard and the climb up Bikepacking Pass started as soon as I took off.
Just had a lovely shower. Didn't even have to heat up the water with the fire. And I'm gonna go have a drink at the bar now. I've set up my tent and there's this nice kitchen area and a roof for my bike to sleep under tonight. This dog just came around the corner and gave me the fright of my life. I'm almost done packing and then I'll head out. I'm here at Highlanders SA and yeah, the people have been just so kind to me. Didn't allow me to pay for camping, gave me so much advice about the roads going up and everything. Yeah, so just a lovely place, beautiful campsites also, very practical little kitchen, private kitchen for every campsite and everything, so that's very nice. It's 9 o'clock, I'm heading out and tonight I'll probably free camp somewhere next to the road, but we'll see how far I get. Hey guys, I've reached my campsite for the night. I contemplated sleeping in that tunnel, but the wind is blowing through there too strongly, so I set up my tent. Let me just get you a better view. So I set up my tent and it's sort of out of sight of the road, and yeah, tonight I'm going to be cooking a pork Texan steak and head off to bed early. It's looking good. And there we go, dinner is served. So I'm leaving Niveres. I got a Coke there, and approximately 80% of the people that I saw in the town is already drunk. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, interesting place. So this condensed milk is one of my guilty pleasures. Nice. The caravan park I wanted to stay at doesn't exist anymore. Ended up in this Airbnb. Yeah, not the greatest, but it has a shower. And I'm gonna enjoy that tonight. It's always a hassle with all the luggage on the bike to open and close gates. Without the bike falling over. So I only did 30 kilometers on the bike this morning, quite quickly, 21 kilometers per hour average. And then I decided to stop at Klipkraal campsite. So this is the campsite, and over there is a bathroom. And I asked the people if they have a little shop here that I can buy some supplies, and they said no, but they'll give me some supplies from their house. So they brought me a cooler box with some cheese and bread and 2 liters of Coke, 2 liters cold drink, some custard, and some meat for me to braai tonight. After scrambling up the boulder, I probably had the world's shortest workout, and then I had a lovely hot shower. I'll quickly show you what I had to do to get a hot shower. Got some mutton on the fire. Just saw a beautiful sunset. Tent is ready for me. All in all, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Okay, so the day is done. I did approximately 50 kilometers. When I got to Garies, I inquired about campsites on the way to the next town, and everyone said no, there aren't any. So I said, nah, it's fine, I'll sleep next to the road. And someone overheard me, and she asked if I don't want to stay on the farm. They have a farm 20 kilometers outside of Garies. So I'm here now, quite a beautiful farm, and I'm going to set up my tent now. Another interesting story: when I was in Garies, this girl came up to me and she said, she called me Oom, and she said that they saw me riding. They actually passed me, and I was riding so fast. I was like, yeah, it was probably a downhill. And then her mom came and she told me, yeah, she's basically not telling you that you're so great, you're riding fast. She was concerned that you were gonna fall or something. So yeah, Northern Cape, very friendly people. People will just come up to you and make conversation and help you wherever they can. Very nice. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my tent now, And then I'm gonna make some eggs on the fire to save some of the gas in my canister. And yeah, I couldn't find any meat because all the shops were closed after 1 o'clock. Unfortunate, but I'm gonna have some eggs, and tomorrow I'll have bread or 2-minute noodles or something for breakfast. Okay, cool guys, that's it for this week's episode. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and check in next week to see how me getting COVID influences the rest of the trip.